Okay, what's up, people? People, testing out a webcam that I have on. I've had, but I've never really used it. And what I did, I was looking at a video by Jim Finale, Brian Finale's brother. He was talking about some of the things that you need to make more professional looking videos. And he said one of the things you should use is an external webcam, not the one that's on your laptop, okay? Unless they got the HD clear or whatever. They're saying even with the Apple, but I think my Apple has an HD on it, so I don't know thing. But I got an older. I'm on a laptop. This is a Dell. It's an older laptop, so it makes sense. Tell me, people, tell me what you think, okay? Because I'm using it right now, and it does give a bit of clarity, showing what I'm looking like and everything. Um, it's crazy. I'm just trying to see how this looks um, versus the regular one that I have on this laptop. So it is a better clarity. I'm not sure about the light adjustment. This is natural lighting. So give me a thumbs up if you like this better on my laptop. Um, and it's Friday, and I know a lot of you guys, a lot of you guys are working for the weekend. This is the last official. You hear me? Last official uh, day or weekend of summer, or I should say the summer season. That's what I should say. The summer season. Okay, this is what this is about. Let me hold on for a minute. I gotta see something. Testing this stuff out. I need to test this stuff out on my phone, so then I can get a better view on what's going on and how this looks. Um, let's see. Look on my phone. Da, 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 da. Uh, see what this looks like since I'm live right now. And what's going on, people? Sometimes this damn thing just does not connect the way I should. I want to get more better engagement, trying to build my YouTube channel. I got the professional looking, the sound, trying to get it more direct with myself. What's going on here? Okay. Am I on here? Okay. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at myself online through my phone just to see what it looks like. Kind of frozen. Okay. Yeah, it does look a little better. It looks like a lot better coming on my phone. Okay. Okay, I'm looking at myself online through my phone just to see what it looks like. Kind of frozen. So this is clarity. This is HD. It does look a little better. It looks like a lot better coming on my phone. Okay. So I guess what the whole video was. Maybe I'll leave a link to that video, people. The whole. Let me look at this. The whole. The video was talking about all the tools that you need to make your videos more professional looking, the clarity with video and the sound better. And they say you should use an external camera because they're better looking. This is an old one. This is a Microsoft HD one. It's not a 4K or nothing like that, but it is a better clarity, crisper, since it's an HD for my videos. So I'm going to be using this external camera instead of the one that's in the laptop. Um, I see that the clarity is better. Hopefully, this will give me a better professional looking video production, especially doing this stuff on and putting it on YouTube. That's all. Putting on YouTube all your different things you need to do. Because I try to test it out just to see what's going on. Let me see something here. I need to go on. I'm going on here. Doing in the back office of my video I'm talking about. I'm going to share with you. Share the link. Make a professional looking videos. 5 tips to look like a professional. This is Jim Finale, Brian Finelli's brother. I'm in the back office of My Elite System Pro. You can test this site out to get all this kind of information that I got. And test it out for 10 days. This is all the kind of stuff you're going to get to test out right here. You get a blog, you get a CRM, you get we have a funnel offer, a funnelizer, marketing. You get all this kind of stuff. Test it out, people. This is the kind of information we get in the trainings and in the trainings we get on Wednesday nights. But you can test this out today. I'll leave a link also for that, so you can test that out for your information. Okay. Let me go here. Let me leave it in here. Check this out, Brian Finale, Jim Finale. Here it is. Let me see. God dang it. How to make your YouTube videos more professional. Okay. Check it out. Now, taking heed on this thing. And you can check out my my channel. Subscribe. Let's see. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me leave a link. Let me go here and I can pick up that link. I got it here. I go to Bitly links and get you that link. Subscribe to my channel. Give me some love on this. Let's see, where is it? I know I have it on here. I just can't find a lot of stuff. Trying to find it. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Copy. Put it in I'm gonna put it in the chat. You can subscribe to my channel also. Let's see if it'll pop up. I don't know. Let's see. We'll see if it pops up or not. But that's my channel. You can subscribe to that, get updates and stuff on what I do. Actually, my latest blog is going to be going out to my list today. So if you're on my list and you follow me on Facebook, my latest blog is going to be coming out about 6 o'clock, even though it's been promoted out there on the social medias and stuff. It's going to go through my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, do so on my blog, so we can stay connected that way. Okay. So this is what I'll be using from now on for my videos and to get more clarity on this. I didn't know if this was going to work, and I didn't know if I could even find this dang on thing. So if you have an external camera, especially if you have an older type of laptop like I do, it's probably better to use external camera and probably too the external mic. The internal ones are not that good. The clarity is not that good. And I'm using a Yeti, Blue Yeti mic, one of the most professional ones that are out there now. for doing webinars, doing live stream stuff like that I'm doing right now. So if you want to look more so-called professional, especially with sound and lighting, the best lighting they have is the natural lighting. But if you're, if the lighting's kind of funky and it's cloudy, in this video that I put the link to, you can also, Jim Finale talks about some of the tools that you should get to enhance your lighting, enhance your professionalism as far as making videos. That's all I'm saying. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this little tutorial and testing out this HD exterior camera that I'm using on my laptop, old laptop. I've had this laptop a while. I've had this laptop. It still works very good. I'm just using an external camera right now. I hope you see the difference in my videos, and give me a thumbs up on Facebook if you like what you're seeing. You see my little freckles and stuff here, moles and stuff, probably more now. It seems like it balances out my color. I don't look as washed out as I have been doing webinars. Well, I'm gonna be doing webinars soon. I'm gonna do live stream and stuff, so it balances out the color because it's the HD format of the video side. All right. With that being said, I hope you got value. Please share it out. Give me some love on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm out. All right. Have a good weekend, and join me on Sunday, Sunset Sundays. Now I'll use my camera. Cameras on your cameras on your phones are better than sometimes they're on your laptop, because if you got a what is it? I got an iPhone 6s, but it's still better clarity wise than it is on the laptop. So if you're on there like this, follow me on Sunday, probably 7:30, between 7:30 and 8, because it's getting darker and darker. It's almost getting dark at 8 o'clock. So it's going to be 7:30, folks, by the time the sun gets up and sets down. All right. That being said, I said, peace out, take care, and we'll see you on the next video. I'm out.